Hey, good morning. Happy November 1st. Here we are on a beach walk with Kathy, and we have, of course, the little pups down here with us. We'll take a walk in a minute. I just wanted to welcome you to November at Camp Bay Beach. November is a really special month for our family. We had so many birthdays. Mike's sister, his aunt and uncle, three of our grandchildren, and myself. Happy birthday to all of us and any of you with November birthdays. Scorpios rule. Let's walk. Oh, it's nice out here today. I brought my hat because I thought it was going to rain on us, but it doesn't seem to be. We got, I think it was like 9.5 inches of rain in October, which that's nice, but you know, last year it was 23 inches in October. Well, that was a lot. Well, we'll see what November brings. Rainy season's a lot of fun. Oh, Brownie's right here beside me. I've got to find Stripe. I'll be back in a minute. There's Stripe. He's looking for crabs. He dug some big holes yesterday. It's really pretty out here. The sun's just coming out. I get the camera around to the eastern side so you can see. The mighty Caribbean Sea. Absolutely love it. The sun's coming up. We decided to turn around and walk into the sun a little bit. Well, those waves are really big and strong and wet. I can see some rain out there. Do you see that? Not here.